Hi friends, for our math journal today, we're going to color by dots. Now, the first thing I want us to do is, the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to write my name at the top. Now let's look at our color chart. If we have 1, we're going to color it R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red, I can spell red. Fire trucks are red, stop signs are red too, R-E-D, R-E-D. Now if we have 2 dots, we're going to color it Y-E-L-L-O-W, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. If we have 3 dots, we're going to color it is the color that I know, and brown is the color B-R-O-W-N, 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 and brown is the color. If we have 4 dots, we're going to use hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? The big sky is blue, the ocean is too. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? So let's go over that again, friends. If we have 1, we're going to color it R-E-D, red. If we have 2, we're going to color it Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. If we have 3, we're going to color it B-R-O-W-N, brown. And if we have 4 dots, we're going to color it B-L-U-E, blue. So I'm going to look right here. I see 1 dot. So I'm going to neatly color in this section on my bird red. I'm going to neatly color where I see 1 dot. See how I'm not scrabbling? I'm taking my time and coloring the dots that I see that have just 1. I'm coloring those in red. So wherever there is 1, I'm going to color it red. And you see a 1 here, and a 1 here, and a 1 here. And then now I have 2 dots here, so I'm going to color that yellow. I'm neatly coloring, staying inside of the lines. Okay? All right, my friends. So now you're going to do the rest by yourself. Before I go, though, I'm going to show you. Remember, we're going to turn to the next blank page in our journal. So I have my 5 poem. And the next blank page, I'm going to remember just a dot, not a lot. And I'm going to glue in my math journal page. Okay, so remember, just a dot, not a lot on the next blank page. And there we have it. So when you're all done, you'll have a beautiful color by dots picture. Remember to use your very best kindergarten coloring, and I will see you all back soon.